Hello, assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear friends. Right now, I am at the station because I am going to my home district, my village, and in this time, try to something making video because it is very helpful for me. And you can see over there, train, and this is area so beautiful area. You can see nobody here, nobody here, and that's why I am so confidently making video. Try to in this area and try to every single day making video because it is very helpful. It is very uh, helpful for me, and try to making video every single day. Try to any kind of situation making video, making sentence, try to new vocabulary, uh, practice, and you can see this is area so natural, so beautiful, so clean. This is area so clean, you can see. This is station in Chattogram city area, and I am try to making video in this area, and every day try to making video because it is so important for me because I'm try to practicing speaking English, and that's why try to making video, try to any kind of situation practicing English, and that's why try to now making video in this area. And you can see behind me train, and on my hand ticket, and it is very cheap price, just 100 taka only, and I bought this ticket few minutes ago, uh, because I'm going to my home district, and that's why I have bought ticket, and it is very cheap price, only 100 taka. Okay, see you later again, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.